Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your Dota 2 account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign into your Dota 2 account, you can simply open up a web browser or your Dota 2 application. On a web browser, type in the URL www.dota2.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Dota 2. In order to log into your Dota 2 account, you'll need a Steam account first. Click on the login link at the top right, and doing so will take you to this Steam community page. If you don't have an account yet for Steam, you'll need to click on the join Steam link and follow through the sign up process. If you are a Steam user and you already have an account, click the sign in button. Log into your Steam account by entering your account name followed by your correct password, or simply log in by scanning this QR code with the help of your Steam mobile application. Now, click on the allow button in order to allow necessary permission for the following, and you'll be able to see that you've successfully logged into your Dota 2 account. You can now click on the play for free button and simply go ahead and play the game by clicking on the play game option. Now, you can simply go ahead and install the Steam application on your device and start playing Dota 2. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.